Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Welcome to this live streaming of mine. So, today I'm gonna talk about stocks, stock market, commodities, gold and silver. Yes, I'm also gonna talk about gold and silver, and I'm gonna give you all predictions about today. I'm gonna give you all prices about gold and silver prices, how it could behave today. Yes, I'm talking about gold and silver on the MCX, and I'm gonna talk about you because you are the most important person in this world. Because if you are here in this world is there for you. So, in order to stay in this world, you need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your mind, body, and soul. And you came into this world alone, and you are gonna leave this world alone one day. So, this is your life, and you have to live this life on your terms and conditions, not on somebody else's terms and conditions. It's as simple as that. You need to do the things which you think is right. Yes, which you think is right, which you feel passionate about, which you love doing. Yes, you need to do those things which you love, which you are passionate about. And you shouldn't take any suggestions from any other person. What is in your heart, you should do that. That should be the way you should live your life. Nobody should dictate you how you should live your life. Yes, if you want to do a certain thing, if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become an engineer, if you want to become a pilot, if you want to become an astrologer, and you feel it from right inside you that you must become that, then you must go for it. Yes, you must go for it. You must fulfill your goals and dreams of this life. And your goals and dreams are those things which directly come from your heart, from within you. So that is the kind of, and if you do what you love, you will be always successful in it, because you will always feel like doing the things which you are doing. And that is how you have to live your life. Yesterday somebody told me that the one person is telling me to become an engineer, the other person is telling me to become a software engineer, the third person is telling him to become a scientist. I told him, what do you want in your life? He said that I want to become a chartered accountant. So I told him, just go ahead with your plan. You don't listen to anyone in this world. Just listen to your heart, because where your heart is, there your treasure is also. Yes, where your heart is, there your treasure is also. Prakash Kothari, buy silver or wait? Okay, just let me start. Okay, Kamlesh Bhai Prajapati, Jai Mata Di. Santosh Singh Ji, Jai Mata Di. Prakash Kothari, buy silver or wait? Gold buy sell. तानिक गोयल की तरफ से प्रणाम. Namaste ji, namaste sabko namaste. So I'm just gonna tell you all about my predictions about gold for today. So what my prediction about gold for today is, I'm just going to repeat it for y'all. Yes, my prediction about gold is that today you can short gold from a level of 2719. Yes, 27919. I am bearish on gold and silver today. Yes, so you can short the gold from a level of 27919, and my target for tonight would be 2698. Yes, regarding silver, you should short silver at $32.26 today. This is only for today, 12th of December 2024. Yes, and you should cover up your position, you should square up your position at $31.71. So this is my, and on the MCX, okay, on the MCX, my shorting level would be, I'm actually bearish on gold and silver today. That is why I'm talking about a short trade. So you should short silver at a level of 96422, and you should short gold at from a level of 79126. So this is the levels from which you can short silver and gold. So I've given you my predictions regarding gold and silver. Prakash Kothari ji, I hope you've got my answer. Yes. Santosh ji, any intraday stock today? No. And I don't track intraday stocks. Sorry, Santosh ji, very sorry about this. Yes, but if you feel that you want to invest for the long term, then you can always do that. If a good quality stock has fallen down today, it is down 5%, 7%, you can always buy that stock and you can trade in that stock for a few days. But I wouldn't recommend you all to trade in any stock. Invest for the long term, because people who have invested their money for the long term, they have made millions and billions of dollars in the stock market. So try to copy those people who have made money in the stock market, not those people who are losing money. Yes, people who are trading in the stock market, statistics show that about 90 to 95% of the people in this world lose money in trading, especially intraday. So be careful with your money. So this is my answer to Mr. Santosh Singh. So I was just talking about, nobody can tell you what you should or you shouldn't do. What is in your heart, you should do that. Yes, don't listen to anyone in this world. There is only one life to live, and you should live your life on your own terms and conditions. And that is how you need to live your life, and that is how you will enjoy life. If somebody tells you to do a certain thing, or if follow a certain profession, or go into a certain business, and if your heart is not there, that venture, that profession, that career will never be successful. So always listen to your heart. That is the way one should live one's life. Nifty में call buy कब कर सकता हूँ? Today. कमलेश भाई प्रजापति जी, सुनिए, मैंने कल वीडियो में अपने शाम के बोला हुआ है कि बाय ऑन डिप स्ट्रैटेजी रखें. सीधी बात, 17 तारीख तक मैं निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में बुलिश हूँ. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. मैं तो बाय ऑन डिप स्ट्रैटेजी रखें, इसमें कोई नुकसान होने वाला नहीं है ज़्यादा. तो मैंने कल आपको ऑलरेडी सपोर्ट्स दे दिए हैं, उसके आसपास बाय करें. हाँ जी. So if you all have any other questions regarding commodity or stocks or stock market, and yes, if you have questions about yourself, you are most welcome to ask me in this particular video. So let me just tell you all one thing which I have been telling you all several times, and that is patience. You need to keep patience in the stock market if you want to earn money. Yes, and you need to think long term. You need to have this virtue called patience in you if you want to earn money in the stock market. This is one of the things which you need to remember. Listen to this very carefully. Stock market is a device from transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. Yes, stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. So if you don't have this virtue called patience in you, it is better you don't enter the stock market, because then this stock market will never give you money. So you must be willing to have some kind of patience in you, and you must be, persistent with your thought that, you have to make it in this market. You have to make it in this market. You must be determined about making in this market, and you should give it your best shot. And then, those people who have given their best shot to the stock markets have made millions and billions of rupees in the stock market. Like I give you all examples of Mr. Bill Gates, Mr. Warren Buffett, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Mr. Vijay Kedia. They've all made good money in the stock market. So if they can do it, you can do it too. Yes, if they can make millions and billions in the stock market, you can also do that, because they are also human beings like you. Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is no more on this planet. He had that same 2 eyes, those 2 feet, 2 hands to work with. If they can do it, you can do it too. So, Jagdish Devaralaju, Guruji Namaste, Namaste, Bandhan by bank, buy level please. 152 rupees. Yes, if you want to buy Bandhan Bank for the long term, my buying level would be 152 rupees, not before that. Yes, and next year I think, the Bandhan Bank stock is going to fall further. It can fall to a level of 117 rupees. Yes, next year Bandhan Bank can fall to a level of 117 rupees. But for the time being, if you want to know my views where to buy the Bandhan Bank stock, it would be at a level of 152 rupees, not before that. Vikas Life Care. I've already spoken about Vikas Life Care. Kamlesh Prajapati ji, I've already spoken about Vikas Life Care in one of my videos. Yes, so please see Reliance. Okay, Reliance. Parveen Kumar writes Reliance. Okay, Reliance, my month end target until 31st of December 2024 is 1412 rupees. Yes. Right now, I think Reliance is trading at around 1300 rupees, if my memory serves me right. Reliance, okay, Reliance share price 1263. Okay, it's fallen today. Yesterday it was around say 1285. So my month-end target, should I keep NRL, which is this stock, NRL. Share price, Nupur Recyclers Limited. Okay, so is this Nupur's Recyclers Limited? Mr. Ashok Ramchandani writes, is this Nupur Recyclers Limited? Please answer. Okay, just let him answer and then I will reply to his question. Vishwadham Jonadhala writes, Nifty short 17 December. Okay, Guruji. 17 December short of Nifty. See, I'm 17, after 17th of December, I think the markets, yes. So, Mr. Ashok Ramchandani writes, Nupur Recyclers Limited. So, this stock you can, this stock can fall to a level of, say, around 66 rupees next year. Yes, this stock can fall to a level of 66 rupees next year, and this has a potential of going up to a level of 238 rupees. Yes, this stock can go to a level of 238 rupees. Nupur Recyclers Limited, 238 rupees. It can go to a level of 238 rupees in the next 44 months. Yes, it can go to a level of 200 and I just gave you the my target of Nupur Recyclers Limited. So you can hold this stock Yes, you can keep this stock for the long term. Yes, you can. So, any other questions? Nifty shorts 17 December. 17th December is what? Okay, Nifty short. You see, Mr. Vishwadam, I don't know if you can short Nifty or not on 17th December. I don't know that. But let me give you my view about the stock market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025, the markets are gonna correct significantly. Yes, they are gonna correct significantly. So be prepared. Be prepared for that fall next year. And I wouldn't be surprised if the market corrects anywhere between 15 and 20%. Yes, I wouldn't be surprised if the Nifty and Bank Nifty corrects 15 to 20%. In fact, I would tell you that most of the markets of this world, most of the major stock markets of this world will correct at that point in time. So that is my view about the stock markets for next year. Yes, that is my view about the stock market for next year. Parveen Kumarji, good afternoon. Yes, I've already answered, Mr. Parveen Kumarji, your question. So, one more thing I want to tell you. We mustn't be afraid of any changes in our life. Yesterday I was talking about some change. When the pain to remain the same is greater than the pain to change, you will change. Yes, I repeat, when the pain to remain the same is greater than the pain to change, you will change. So, life has its own ways of changing a person. So, where you are currently, and if you are facing some sort of pain, and you feel that pain is unbearable, then you will make an attempt to change. Yes, until and unless that pain is more than the pain which you get in the future, you will never change. So, this life has this strange ways of changing a person. And as I told you yesterday, that you must be prepared to change. Yes, if you don't change, you will be left behind in your life. You must embrace change. You must wear, different hats in your life, as they call it. Yes, you must be willing to put different hats on your head every point in time. So, life is not always smooth. It will never be. It is not always smooth. In fact, most of our life is, has a lot of sadness in it, has a lot of agony in it, has a lot of trauma in it. But don't avoid that trauma and pain in your life, because if you avoid that, you will never grow. Yes, you will never grow. You will remain stagnant. You will remain dormant forever. And you will become a non-issue in the world. You will become a nobody in this world. Either you become somebody or you remain a nobody. So the choice is yours. Either you remain a nobody or you become a somebody. So the choice is yours, and you have one life to live. You have no retakes in your life. Yes, you don't have any sort of retakes in your life. Ashok Ramchandani writes, thanks. You're welcome. So, this thing called life has got no retakes. So you have one shot. You have just one shot to fulfill your goals and dreams, and this is the life you have. You're not going to get this life every day, and once the time has gone forever. Yes, this time which has gone forever. The seconds which have gone forever. You need to realize that this time which is passing by will never come back. So utilize your time to its fullest. You must let the world know what your capabilities are, what your abilities are, and you need to live life on your own terms and conditions. Parveen Kumar, thank you. Welcome. So if you all have any other questions, you all are most welcome to ask me. So this is what I was just talking about, living life on your terms and conditions. Yes, nobody in this world should tell you what you can or cannot do. If you have a goal and dream, and if somebody tells you that you cannot fulfill that goal and dream, then just tell them to keep quiet. Yes, tell them to keep quiet. And you do what you can. You do what you can with what you have. People say that, oh, when I have this kind of money, then I'll start investing in the stock market. When I have this kind of situation, when my property sells, when everything is perfect, then I will start doing a certain thing. Let me tell you that there are no perfect moments in your life. There are no perfect moments in our life. It is us who has to seize the moment and make it perfect. The real meaning of life is to give life meaning. Yes, the real meaning of life is to give life meaning. And who can give that meaning to our life? Us, nobody else. We are responsible for our life, nobody else. So don't blame others for your situation. Because wherever you are, you made an appointment to be there. Your thoughts made an appointment to be there. You conditioned yourself that in such a manner that you are where you are today. So don't blame others for your situation. It is you who has brought you to this situation. And if you aren't liking your situation, if you aren't getting the results, if you aren't happy with your life, then you are to be blamed. No one else. Not your mother, not your father, not your brother, not your sister. It is you who has made an appointment to be there. And we can change our life whenever we want to. Yes, we can change our life whenever we want to. Our lives are affected by the way we think things are, not the way they are. Our perception matters. Yes, our perception matters. Our lives are basically affected by the way we think things are, not the way they are. One person sees the glass half full and the other person sees the glass half empty. Same glass, but one sees the glass half full and the other sees the glass half empty. You know what I see? I see half the glass full and half filled with air. So I always train my mind to be positive. So you should also become positive with your perspective in life, your perception about life, the things which are happening to you. Same situation. One sees the glass half empty and the other sees the glass half full. One is an optimist and one is a pessimist. A pessimist will get an opportunity. Yes, a pessimist, a negative person will get an opportunity, and all they will see in them are hurdles, barriers and obstacles. They will make all kinds of excuses. Yes, oh, this is not good, that is not good, hence I'm not able to do anything. I don't have the money, that's why I'm not able to do this business. I'm not qualified, that's why I'm not able to get this job, or I'm not able to get a job. So they come up with all the excuses. But an optimist, a positive person, what they do is that when they see hurdles, barriers and obstacles in their life, when they face problems, difficulties and challenges in their life, all they see is opportunities in them. All they see are opportunities in them. Yes, that is the difference between a pessimistic and an optimistic person. As I told you, that same situation, one sees the glass half empty and the other sees the glass half full. If you wait for the perfect moment in your life, then you are gonna keep waiting throughout your life. Yes, if you wait for the perfect moment that my situation will become this, my situation will become that, and then I will start doing this, then I will start investing in the stock market, and then I will start trading in the stock market, and then I will do this business. Then you are gonna wait your entire life, because you are never gonna get that perfect moment. As I told you, do what you can with what you have. Yes, whatever you have in your life is sufficient for you to make yourself a success. Yes, whatever you have in your life is sufficient to make yourself a success. And I don't care whether you are 40, 50 or 60. If you want, you can change your life from today. If you decide that I have to change my life, you can change your life for the better from today itself. And don't wait for tomorrow. Nobody has seen tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes, because life is full of uncertainty, because we are here today and we might be gone today. Yes, this is the kind of life we are in. This is the kind of uncertainty we are in, because anything can happen to anyone any moment. So stay happy, be happy, smile. Make an impression on this world. Make the people know what you are doing. Earn money. Make and live the best version of yourself. Yes, because I'm telling you to earn money, because without money there is nothing in this world. Even to go to a temple these days, you need money. Yes, even to go to a temple these days, you need money. People tell me that money cannot make us happy. Well, I leave it to you. I ask you whether money makes you happy or not. Yes, I'm asking you, and you need to answer this question to yourself, whether money makes you happy or not. So, money isn't God, but it isn't less than God these days. Yes, money isn't God, but it isn't less than God these days. So, this is the kind of, okay, Aman Kumarji, sir, Nifty tomorrow level. Yes. Ashok Ramchandani writes, I have zinc 600 now, at the rate of 600, has fallen down to 100. What should I do? Should I keep for the long term? Hindustan zinc. Okay, I will take this question. Hindustan zinc. Hindustan zinc fallen down ₹100. There's nothing to worry about this stock. Not at all. You mean to say that you had purchased it at 600 and now it's fallen to 500. It's currently trading at 502. So there's nothing to worry about this stock, because this stock, I believe that the Hindustan zinc stock will touch a level of, say, around 889 rupees in the coming 48 months. Yes, 889 rupees in the coming 48 months. So no need to worry about this. Jagdish ji writes Nifty range for 2025, like the top, bottom and top. See Jagdish ji, let's wait for the bottom first. So let us wait for the bottom first before we see the highest point of Nifty in the year 2025. First, I am waiting for the Nifty and Bank Nifty to fall next year before I can make a prediction about the top of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Aman Kumar, sir, Nifty tomorrow level. Yes, Amanji, I will give you my predictions this evening. I will be coming live and I'll be giving you all these predictions today evening. Karani ji, Jai Mata Di, like done. Thank you so much. Karani ji, thank you so much. So this is, I think, okay, Ashok Ramchandajni writes, thanks. Okay, thanks. You're most welcome. So this is what I was talking about, So it got interrupted. So I think this is, I see any other questions coming up. So this pretty much completes my live streaming for today. If anybody has any other questions, you're most welcome to ask me. Otherwise, I will end this live streaming just now. Okay, thank you very much to everyone for watching my videos. Have a good day. Have a good trading day. Make a lot of money and keep smiling. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.